tiny one.
You sitting in Grandpa's chair?
That looks like a delicious lunch.
Ava, you know how to make those?
Trying to tell you something, Grandpa.
What's the matter? What do you want? What do you want?
I can't do that.
Oh yes, you've made it already. Oh, you just need a little help.
You gotta go underneath it. Is it blue?
There you go.
Oh, done.
How long is it now,
Glue me
Ava?
up here. Glue this right here for me. What's the end there? All right, we slide it through. And push it together. Bingo! Oh my God.
It is getting longer.
How long can we make that?
It's going to be as tall as you.
Can we make all those?